Really excited today to be talking about this new lookup control that's now available for use as a flow screen component. You can stick it in flow screens. You can see that there's 3 of them here. And if I search accounts, then I am able to select an account. Here I'm able to look up contacts. And finally here I have a custom object that I created called ships, just for the heck of it, to show you that custom objects work quite well. And then on the next screen I'm going to show you the data we extract from these. And you can see that in 2 examples here I extracted the ID of the object. In this third example for the contact, I actually just grabbed the email address, and I did that to highlight the fact that you get to separately decide what you actually want to be showing up in the drop-down list box and searching on. And you get to separately decide what you actually export once the user has selected something. So these are super easy to configure once you've got them installed. Let's take a look at what's involved. So I'm using the new ability to in Spring 18 to create Lightning components, and in this case I have installed into my org lookup flow screen component right here. And if we look at one of these that I've already configured, you can see that there are basically 4 things I get to decide. The first is what's the object I want to be looking up. The second is what do I actually want to display and search on during the lookup process. The third is simply the label that goes on the field, on the lookup field. And the fourth is what field do I want extracted and made available downstream. And then that field, in this case ID, I have to assign to a variable, just like you always do in Flow. So I've created a little variable here to contain that. And that's basically all there is to it. So encourage you to give it a try and tell me what you think.